Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. An unparalleled high-performance capabilities with latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, an unmatched gaming experience, a premium design inspired by BMW M Motorsport, and a pro-grade photography triple camera setup. This is iQOO 12. Let's unbox and review it. The smartphone comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So this is the second phone after Xiaomi 14 series, which comes with the latest processor at the moment. It comes in an impressive box with BMW Motorsport as a premium partner. This is 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage option variant. It's priced at 2280 AD and 50,000 Indian currency. It also comes in 12 GB 250 GB storage option for 2050 AD. You get a nice BMW sticker, and inside there is a SIM ejection tool, a regular silicone case, 120 watts charger, which is great. Unfortunately, it doesn't support wireless charging, and a USB Type-C to C cable, which is standard nowadays. So this is all what you get inside the box. This is the Alpha edition, which uses black fluorite glass body, which creates a unique black color with a subtle gold glow. On the side is a dark color aluminum alloy, which perfectly complements the Alpha color. The in-hand feel of the smartphone is great and feels light at 203 grams. It's also a slim design with 8.1 mm thickness. And it comes with IP64 rating, which is dust and water splash. On the right side, there is a power and volume buttons. On the top side, there is IR blaster, speakers and noise cancellation. There is no port on the left side. At the bottom, there is a SIM tray, Type-C charging port, main microphone and stereo speakers. It comes with a dual nano SIM card slot, but there is no micro SD card support. In terms of display, is a 6.7-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a whooping 3000 nits of peak brightness. And I must say the visibility is good with full brightness in the daylight. It comes with a 144Hz refresh rate, and you can choose either smart switch or high refresh rate in the display settings. The display is flat, and I quite like it, as I prefer flat display than the curved ones. There are tiny bezels on the side which are not so visible but worth mentioning. In terms of performance, it comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the latest chipset. It's running Android 14 version. Since it comes with the latest processor, the benchmarks are very high. The device does feel slightly hot after the deep stress test. I'm sure with software updates, it's only gonna improve the performance. For gamers, it has a custom supercomputing chip, Q1, which boosts the gaming performance, frame rate, better touch accuracy and haptic engine while playing games. The games performed very smooth and uses smart temperature controls, which keeps the smartphone temperature in control. This has a 6-vapor cooling system. Now let's hear the sound quality of the smartphone, as it has a dual stereo speakers.
It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when it rushes. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek,
The sound quality was quite good. It was full and sound richer, and the speakers performed quite well while playing music. Now let's talk about this camera. It has a pro-rate photography camera system. It comes with a triple camera system with main 50 megapixel Astrographic camera, a 64 megapixel Periscope telephoto camera, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. It can record 8K 30 frame per second videos. There is also 100x zoom capabilities. It has an excellent night mode where you can capture stunning details and colors. They have also improved snapshots with zero shutter lag. On the front side, it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Strangely, in the front side, there is no 4K recording. It's just limited to 1080p. Now let's see some photos and videos taken from this smartphone. Also wait for my in-depth camera test video coming soon on my channel. In terms of photos, I really like the quality of pictures coming out of camera, both in daylight and at night. The video quality is also decent. In terms of battery, it has an industry's first pro performance graphite battery of 5000 mAh in a slim design. It comes with a 120 watts fast charger. I was getting a good battery life in my limited usage. The smartphone also comes with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Overall, it's a great package with great cameras and a decent display, super fast performance and great battery life. I think it's a stellar for this price range. There are minor heating issues, but I'm sure with new software updates it will be optimized. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the smartphone and I definitely recommend this. If you want to try a decent smartphone with a lot of features, this is the one to go for. Do write me in the comments below how did you like this review, and if you have any comments or any questions, please do write me. So that's it for the unboxing and review of this amazing smartphone. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace.